In the last video, we fixed one issue with navigating to the Edit Job page, and now our code for working with entries is fully working. So for the rest of this section, I will do a code walkthrough of all the files that we have added so that I can point out the most interesting parts. And I will start with the Job Entries page, which is a stateless widget, and it has a static show method that is similar to what we have used before. And all this does is to get the database from the context and then passes it to the constructor along with the input job argument. And this is then shown as a material page route with a call to navigator.push. By the way, you can notice that I'm calling this with full screen dialog is false. And on iOS, this causes the page to slide in from the right like this. So if you want this behavior as well as the back button, then you can use full screen dialog is false. And then I can head over to the build method. And this is where we show the up bar, which has a button to edit the current job. And as we have seen, we can press this to edit our job. Then we have a floating action button that we use to create a new entry. And we will see how this page works in a little while. And then we have the scaffold body, where we call this build contents method. And this is what we use to show a list of entry. So it has a stream builder with a database.entries stream as the input stream. And then in the builder, we create our list items builder widget that we can use to show a list of entries and handle the remaining UI states as well. And just to show you how this looks like, here I can add a new entry and I can choose an end time of 1 hour from now. And then I can add a comment, for example, new draft, like this. And when I create this, then a new item is added to the list. And I could do this again to create more entries. Finally, I can swipe to delete, which works just in the same way as in the jobs page. So overall, this page is very similar to the jobs page, with the exception that it works with models of type entry. So let's continue on the next video.